Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Oakley model, Straightlink OO9331 in color code 04. It's a polished black color frame. The style of the frame is rectangle. On the temples here, we have a blue Oakley emblem. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are blue. This frame is RXable. Up here we have an Oakley gift box, a dust bag, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.